Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. On this channel, I share simple practical tutorials on soap making, skincare, small scale business tips, especially for beginners and entrepreneurs. In today's video, I will be introducing you to cold process soap making with the S.T.P.P, mainly for laundry and cleaning purposes. What you saw me doing is I'm oiling my mold. The mold I was going to use for this production, you have to oil it so that when molding it, it will be easier for you, okay? And that mold is a water connector, all right? So once you go to those that sells building materials, if actually you will need this kind of a mold, go to those that are into building materials and ask them for water connector pipe. They're going to give it to you. So that was what I used for this production today. So we are going to be making a cold process soap today. So here are the ingredients I am going to use for this particular production. So I have my silicate, I have my soda ash, and this one is my S.T.P.P. Oh yes, we are going to make use of S.T.P.P and the almighty caustic soda. Of course, there is no soap making without caustic soda, okay? So we are going to be dissolving our solvent. These are additives, all right? So I'm making use of some additives for this production, okay? So cold process soap making is a method where oils or fat are mixed with caustic soda at low temperature, allowing the soap to cure naturally without boiling. So S.T.P.P is added to laundry soap to boost cleaning power, all right, and the soften hard water, improve lather, and help remove tough stain. Okay, so you can also make this soap without using your additives. All right, so laundry soap made with only caustic soda and the oil is also good. Then clean very well, hard strong bar. All right, but in this particular production, I'm going to be using some additives. Okay, so adding additives in your soap makes your soap bulky. Of course, it increases the volume of your soap and add weight to it. Okay, so what I dissolved earlier is my soda ash and the S.T.P.P. Please, I used warm water to dissolve these S.T.P.P and the soda ash. So this is the oil I'm going to make use of. I'm making use of a 100% PK oil. This is palm kernel oil, and the quantity of the oil I'm going to use is 102 grams, 1,200 grams. Okay, 1,200 grams. Don't worry, I will write everything on the description box or before the end of the video. So why I added these additives is because I want my soap to have some volume and weight. Adding additives to your soap makes the soap appear bigger, improve cleaning power, water softening, and the grease removal. Okay, for laundry soap, additive helps not just for volume but for performance. Okay, S.T.P.P makes your soap stronger. Yeah, it makes your bar soap very strong. Now I want to give you a tip. Too much additives also can make your soap reduce foaming, leave residue on clothes. So use fewer additives in a right proportion. Okay, with this you are going to achieve a very nice outcome. I'm telling you. I've added my dissolved soda ash and S.T.P.P into my oil. That was the first thing that goes in first. Okay, you can as well add your caustic soda first, any which way. All right, so I added my dissolved S.T.P.P and the soda ash into the oil. So the next ingredient I'll add is my caustic soda. This is beginners friendly. If you are new in soap making, this recipe is for you. Okay, just try out this recipe. You are going to have a nice outcome. This is really easy to make. So once your caustic soda or your lye solution is has calmed down enough, like it's just the temperature is cool, then all you need to do is to add into your oil. And please, if you're making use of any oil, I think you should go for either coconut oil. For those of you that have coconut oil, use either coconut oil or you use PK oil, that's palm kernel oil. These two oil doesn't give hard times when it comes to soap making, especially for beginners. Okay, so these oils are very good when it comes to cold process method. So the next thing I added was my sodium silicate. All right, so sodium silicate makes your soap shine, and also makes your soap come out strong. So I added my color, and I used water soluble color. If you still want to use your oil soluble color, you can go ahead and use your oil soluble color, but I made use of a water soluble color with lemon. This is a lemon color, so you can make use of any color of your choice at all. So I added a bit of the color. I want it to come out very well. So there's nothing much here, guys. If you are watching this point, that means you love this video, and please, can you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and please subscribe to this channel, okay? Because we have awesome and amazing recipes coming up on this channel, and I would like you to mix. So please share this video with your loved ones. There are other people out there that would like this kind of a video. Please share it with them, then like and subscribe. So our soap is in our mold now. I've added the soap into the mold. I'm going to allow this to harden up for to stay at least 5 or 6 hours. You can also leave it for a whole day. All right, so this is the molding. Then we are cutting our soap. It has hardened enough. This is the soap, guys. There is nothing much here. Like I always tell you, please, if you are looking to start a business this year, this recipe is for you. Try out this recipe, and believe me, you'll be glad that you did. Okay, so laundry soap gain more volume and better cleaning when additives are added. Caustic soda alone gives strength. Additives gives better and efficiency. So guys, we have already come to the end of this video. If truly you like this video, please kindly give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please stop watching my video without subscribing, I beg you. All right, please subscribe to this channel for amazing videos that are going to drop very soon. All right, okay, please watch the end so that you can copy the recipe at the end of this video. All right, that's where I'm going to drop this recipe. Try and watch the end. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye.